Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking all about Google Keep. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So what Google Keep is in a nutshell is probably the first thing you're thinking of. It's a notepad. So it's a notepad for Google, but the nice thing about it is it's fully web-based and cloud-based, meaning to say that anything that you input in Google Keep gets saved to your and is tied to your Google account. So kind of like all of your spreadsheets and files on Google Docs, the same works for Google Keep. And the nice thing about it is that it's all free. All you really need to make use of Google Keep is a Google account, which we all have anyway. So let's talk about how you can actually get to use Google Keep on whatever platform you're on, and then we can go over its key features on this website right here, on their actual website. So if you guys are on Android, Google Keep will come in the form of an application. And to actually install it, it's pretty simple. You just need to go to the Play Store and you need to look for Google Keep. Next, you need to install it, and because your Android phones are often tied to your Google account, you'd be automatically logged in. So it's that simple. Now, as for the PC version, this extension is already built in so long as you log in your Google account, as you can see here. And I actually do have it open in another tab, as you can see, and I'll be going over how you can use it and a couple of examples later on in the video. So anyway, now as for the Apple side of things, you just need to go to the App Store and download Google Keep as normal, same as the Android steps. Now Google Keep is super useful for a couple of applications. So one of them being for productivity and work, as it's a at its core a notepad. It helps you keep notes of your checklists and to do lists, as well as your tasks for the day and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. Also, another cool added feature that Google Keep has is it has a built-in voice recognition interface. Meaning, say you can actually open the app and speak into Google Keep, and it'll translate. It'll transcribe your speech into text for you. Apart from productivity applications, though, you can also use it for everyday use, like grocery shopping, as you can see in this illustration here. You can use Google Keep as like a checklist when you go to the grocery store. You can keep notes with important dates on them. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. That's all there is to it. So let's actually get to using the app, as you can see here. Now let's talk a bit about the navigation panel here. And as you can see, I just turned my Google Keep to dark mode. That way it's just easier on the eyes. So on the right side here, you'll see that there are a couple of sub menus that'll take you to a, a bunch of different places on Google Keep. So there's the reminders tab, pretty self-explanatory. The labels tab, the archive, the trash if you want to recover some old notes, and the notes tab, which is the main event. Now, to actually take a note is pretty straightforward. You just want to click on this here, the thing that says take a note, and let's say I want to list down my um, tasks for today for work. So let's say I were to put edit videos before 10 p.m. Now, once you've made your note, there are a couple of different options that you can do to modify that said note. You can either add some background options right here to make it pop out more. So this way it's easier to track. You can maybe add some artwork in the back. So that's pretty cool. So Google Keep has all of these features built in, so you're able to distinguish your notes from each other much easier. So let's say for this one, let's pretend that it's an urgent task. So I wanted to pop out from the black background. So I would pick a bright color like, let's go with sand. Okay, so there you go. It's very visible and easy on the eyes. So here you are. You can even add an image. You can do things like add a drawing to it or make a copy, show checkboxes. So this way, if you want to turn it into a checklist form, like a step-by-step procedure of your task for the day, then you can do that. So it's pretty cool. Now, this one pin note will actually ensure that this specific note gets put at the very top of your Google Keep application. So if I close this, it's the first one here. So even if I add a new note like hello, And let's add something to it. Okay, let's add a recipe artwork to it. There we are. It would be shown here because this one was pinned. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. It's a handy tool to have for productivity or everyday use, and you can have it on the go on your phone or your PC. So yeah, that's Google Keep and how you use it in a nutshell. So if you guys found this video helpful, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more guide videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel. And if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and making sure that the bell notification is turned on. So with all that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.